Because there are so many different kinds of minerals, it isn't always easy to tell them apart. You compare. Which of these two minerals is gold? The one on the left is gold. The one on the right looks like gold, but is called pyrite, or fool's gold. Even though these minerals look similar, they have characteristics which make them different from one another. Each mineral has its own specific properties that can be used to identify it. A property is a characteristic of a mineral. One of the easiest mineral properties to notice is the color of a mineral's outer surface. The problem with color, however, is that the same mineral can come in several different colors. And in some cases, different minerals may have the same color, as we just saw with pyrite and gold. Sometimes a mineral's streak is helpful in identifying it. Streak is the color of a mineral's powder when rubbed against a piece of porcelain. Notice how this mineral has a shiny metallic appearance, but this mineral has a dull appearance. This property is referred to as luster. Luster is the way the surface of a mineral reflects light. There are many ways that minerals reflect light. Metallic, non-metallic, waxy, and earthy are some of the ways we describe a mineral's luster. You observe. Was this mineral scratched with a fingernail or with a steel knife? Your fingernail can't scratch it, but a steel knife can. This softer mineral, however, called talc, can easily be scratched with a fingernail. Different minerals have varying degrees of hardness. To determine the hardness of minerals, scientists use a scale called Mohs hardness scale. On this scale, talc is the softest mineral at 1, and diamond is the hardest at 10. Between these two extremes are other minerals with progressing degrees of hardness. Different types of minerals tend to break in different ways as well. Cleavage is the tendency of a mineral to break along flat surfaces. Notice how this piece of halite and this piece of biotite break along flat planes. You observe. Describe how this quartz breaks. Quartz breaks unevenly. Fracture is the tendency of minerals to break along irregular or curved surfaces. Another way minerals differ is in the types of crystal structures that they form. There are several different basic crystal shapes. In some cases, minerals can be identified by other properties, such as density, taste, and odor, to name just a few.